Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm cute and I make videos on beauty, fashion, and I also do lifestyle vlogs. So if you like what you see, if you like my vibe, then please hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can join the fam. And without further ado, let's just get into today's video.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody.
Alright you guys, so in today's video I am doing a wig review. I got sent this headband wig that I'm wearing right now from LuvMe Hair. They have beautiful hair. Thank you so much LuvMe Hair for sending me this wig. I really appreciate it. You guys, I created this really cute look with the headband wig. I did like 2 flat twists and then threw this on, and I just think it is super cute, and another way you can just wear your headband wig and be really cute. They sent me a bunch of headbands and, you know, really cute stuff. So I'm excited to show you guys. I will be showing you the full unboxing as well as some styles. So let's just get into it. All right, you guys. So let's just get into the wig. I know I'm looking a little bald headed right now. I have my hair in a ponytail back here and kind of just pinned up. So I can put on my stocking cap. So I'm going to do this from kind of start to finish with you guys. And for now, here is the wig. You guys have already seen it, obviously, in the intro, in my hair, on my head. But here it is. It is a beautiful, it came DHL. I will be inserting the full unboxing as well, so you guys will see that on the screen while I show you guys some styles and kind of just go through the specs of this hair. I want to say this is their 18-inch kinky curly. This is by LuvMe Hair. They were kind enough to send this to me, so thank you very much, LuvMe Hair. Again, the hair is super soft. It was really soft when it came. I did go ahead and wash and condition the hair just because that's what I do to all hair that I get. And yeah, there wasn't a lot of shedding either. It doesn't tangle too bad. You know, with curly hair, it's going to tangle, so just expect that. But this one, like, it wasn't hard to kind of like comb out or brush out with my Denman brush or anything like that. So yeah. And then the box that it came in is super cute, y'all. Like, look at this box. Tell me this box is not super cute. Like, purple is my favorite color, first of all, so yes. And then the gold, and it has this like little ribbon on there. And then one thing I wanted to point out to y'all is the ribbon, like, is a nice touch, but it came with like this elastic on the back so that you can always keep the ribbon, because I don't know how to make a bow like this. So anytime I have something that's wrapped in ribbon that has a bow, I always have to kind of like cut it or something, and then it's ruined. But I like the fact that they did that. So that is a really cute touch, and then you can always slide it back onto the box and keep it nice and secure so it doesn't, so the top doesn't come off. So kudos, like that's a really good touch. So I really like that. I'm just gonna open up the box with you guys. You will already see it in the unboxing, but I do need some of the stuff in the box. This is like the little thing it came in, which is good. The headbands, you guys will see, I'm going to be trying all of the headbands on as well. So it came with 5 different headbands, and I will be trying those on for you guys. But what I need out of the box is going to be the let's see, this is like really cute too that they put in there. So it has a satin wrap for your edges, which, you know, you can never have too many of those. It came with some bobby pins. You can never have too many bobby pins. I'm always losing bobby pins. This is so cute, y'all. Look what it came with. It's this little hairpin that says LuvMe. Like how cute is that? So I really like this as well. It also came with some elastic band, so you can sew it to the back of your headband if you wish to make it a little bit more secure. So that was really nice of them to add this in there as well. But what I need is going to be this right here, this edge brush. You guys, can y'all believe I don't have one of these? I use a toothbrush, and that's what has worked for me, like, you know, since the beginning of time. But yeah, they did put this in there, so I appreciate that. I'm gonna give it a go and see, you know, if I will be switching over to using an actual edge brush versus a toothbrush. And then they also put a pair of tweezers in there, so love that. You can never have too many tweezers. So let's get started. What I'm going to do, I have my mirror down here, is do something to my edges. I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bliss, what is this, curl control paste. I really like this one. It smells really good because it's like 9 o'clock at night and I don't need a lot of hold or anything like that. All right, I am ready to go. Like literally ready to go. So what I'm actually going to do, okay, is use the combs just so when I style it, it doesn't slip off of my head. And I think I'm just going to use this one in the front here, the middle comb. Okay, so I have put the combs in and like it is super secure. It is not going anywhere. The hair is still damp from me washing and conditioning it, but oh my goodness, it is a beautiful, like, look at it. Tell me this hair isn't gorgeous. The texture is so pretty. So let's try on some headbands. Here's the camel headband. It is super cute. I could definitely see myself wearing this one with like an all black outfit or something like that. Really cute, really casual. So yeah, this is the leopard print. Y'all know I love a good leopard print, so this one is super cute. Something that I can literally wear with everything, because I just really feel like you can wear leopard with everything. You can also pull these down so you don't have to have your edges out, and I think like at a certain level on your forehead, like it's cute, you know? So yeah, here's this headband here, giving safari vibes. You feel it? Are you guys feeling it? Here is this headband here, super cute. I actually really like this one too. I could definitely see this one with a jeans and a white shirt. All right, I really like this because it's like nice and dainty. It's really girly. The knot right here is very apparent. I'll actually like it with my sweater as well. This one is cute. I like this. I can definitely see myself wearing this one as well. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this headband? Do you like it as much as I do? All right. Okay, but here is this headband. I actually like this one too, and it kind of goes with my sweater as well. Again, this one is super cute. All the headbands are really nice, and they are a nice soft cotton stretchy material. I like literally just cannot figure out how the knot thing works, so that's not their fault, that's mine. That's a user error. Somebody, you know, comment down below and let me know how to work these headbands, because your girl cannot figure it out. But let's get into some styles. So I'm just gonna do a couple styles for you guys, play some music, and then I will come back with my final thoughts.
One step away from boyfriend, a fancy car, you're insatiable. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals, but you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body be. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy. It's so crazy.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. Jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I really do like the last style that I decided to do. I did this one on a whim. I didn't know if it was going to turn out good or not, but I just pulled out the perimeter of my hair and did 2 flat twists and threw on the headband, and I love it. I think it is super, super cute, and for whatever reason, it looks like that much more natural to me. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.